Welcome to our Homologa tutorials where we explore tips and tricks from Homologa, the global crop protection database. Today we will review the first of Homologa's data evolution module family, basic new and modified product information. This module belongs to the data evolution module family, and it will help you answering questions related to the identification of crop production data that changed over time. Basic new and modified product information is the entry-level option in this data evolution set of modules, available in Homologa. The main difference between these modules and the regular data extraction modules such as basic product information or full product information, is that the user must define a time window in which the system will extract any changes occurred during that period. In addition, the system will include in the result specific pairs of columns in certain fields with the old and the new information. Basic new and modified product information will allow users to spot changes at the product expiry date and the product last use date. At the same time, of course, offering basic product information. Lastly, the report will also include a modification type column in which the system will define whether a particular entry is new or modified for the time frame defined for that specific query. In this table, you can check all the available fields for this module. Feel free to stop the video here in case you want to check them in detail. I highlighted in red those fields offering old and new values. Let us jump now into the tool and check out how this module works. Now that we are here in Homologa, in order to get to the module, we have to go to the Search tab. Then under Plant Protection Products, you can see this Plant Protection Products Data Evolution section, where you can go to the basic new and modified product information. I am going to click here. It is going to take me to the main interface. As you can see, together with the region and the country filter, we have a date from and a date to that we need to define. For this specific example, I was thinking about extracting all those changes that happened in Canada in the last few months related to fungicides, for example. To do that, I have to enter the country. I am going to enter Canada. Then I will enter my date from and my date to. We are in October 2024, I am going to go ahead and select from January the 1st 2024 until today, which happens to be 17th of October. Then I can go to the product filter. Under product filter, I need to spot this product type and I can open this filter and go ahead and select my fungicides. Basically, here I have now selected Canada and I am asking the tool to extract all the changes that happened in these 10 months related to fungicides in Canada. Now I am running this report, and the system is providing me with 192 results, and this is the whole table down below. I can scroll through the different pages and then from left to right you can see that we've got trade name information, the registration number, active ingredient information. This is basic information as we mentioned during the presentation. Near the very end of the table, you can see that we have got the product expiry date old and product expiry date new. For example, if we focus our attention onto these results, you can see that the old product expiry for this particular product was the 31st of December, 2027, and it was changed to the 31st of December, 2029 during this period of time that we have selected. If we go to the far right, you can see the modification type column that I was talking about earlier, and it says, Modified. My understanding of this result is that this entry was modified during the time frame that I selected, and actually the expiry date changed from 2027 to 2029. I can also go ahead and check the links if I need to go and check that label in the ministry in Australia. As you can see, the information that I am going to get using this module is quite straightforward and just focuses on the time frame that I have selected. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips and tricks for using Homologa helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.